Anna just got a bunch of new clothes from Grammy Amy. And she's having fun throwing the loud, crinkly packages.
Slinging them.
Just slinging them.
Kind of
Here, Daddy.
Like
Here, Daddy.
Yeah. Putting them on Daddy. Okay, there it is. Nope,
wait.
That wasn't it. This is the one.
Which one is it?
Okay. Or is it?
Not one to keep hats on her head. You got one more, kid.
Sort them back the other way. Here's that flap. Here's that flap. Flap. Clap. Can you clap hands? Can you clap hands? Yay!
Yay! Yay, new clothes! Yay! Yeah, good job. Yay! Yay! Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She never said that before. Bye-bye.